Alright, I still have this fan from 2006, 2007. This is one of the last Daracraft box fans to ever be made before the company sold out to Kaz. So it only has two speeds. It has high and then it has low. Alright, here's high. It moves quite a bit of wind. A lot of air for a vintage fan from 2006, 2007. Or at least it's making it to vintage. But it's one of the last ones they ever made before they went out of business. And they sold out to Kaz. Yeah, this thing moves a crap load of air for a 10-inch box fan. And low. I might just use this when I go to bed at night, I'm not sure. Put my air king in the window. Does move a crap load of air. Back to high and then the spin down. Alright, we're going to spin it down. Has a pretty decent spin down. But there you go. You see my only 2006, 2007 Daracraft 10-inch box fan. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. God bless you and gone. Rate, comment, and subscribe.